Simgarry presents Gud and Til Ladoo. Take a container and roast 200 grams sesame seeds or till on low flame at least for 5 minutes. Take seeds and jaggery in same ratio. I am taking 200 grams. When color changes, they are ready. So here color is turning brown. Make sure they do not burn. Now heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and put 200 grams of chopped jaggery or good and add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix them till jaggery melts. Cook for 5 minutes. When it starts forming bubbles, do water test. Take water and put some drops of mixture in it. If it sets and doesn't spread, it's ready. Now hurriedly put sesame seeds. You can also add 2 tablespoons of grounded peanuts. Turn off the flame and mix quickly. Now wet your palms with water so mixture doesn't stick to your palms and your hands doesn't burn. Take spoonful of this hot mixture and make balls. After every ball you make, wet your palms. Let them set for an hour. Now they are ready to serve.